So, you're probably not gonna see my old new friend anymore, the DJI Osmo Pocket camera. It's dead! So bad. I'm not gonna have any more so many nice motion lapse footage, what I really loved on this camera, and very nice gimbal, sharp pictures. Get wet 2 times, and the second time it completely died. I was swimming with my backpack and the backpack was leaking and the camera get wet, and then I realized it's gone. So since then I'm gonna use a GoPro. Yo guys, I get a new camera, so let's unbox it. And she's my sister. She just arrived now. She came from Hungary and she visited me here in Norway. So let's see. Here it is. Very, very nice. Smells brand new. I like the smell. And hopefully it's still gonna be nice footage for you guys. And a new camera is coming. Is it here? Wow! It's the Insta 360 camera. It's gonna be really, really cool. We checked yesterday. We made some footage with my sister when she arrived from the airport. Yes, this is gonna be my new camera for a while, and DJI is dead, but it made the job. Made the job, definitely. We made 12 episodes with the DJI, and this one is gonna be the new friend, and also the GoPro Hero 7.